Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made $141,537 since August trading with TopStep. And before people comment and say, oh, where's the proof, I will show you now. So as I'm in my TopStep account, I'll just show you my accounts. So I have total P&L of 5,000 on this account, now 5,000, 10,000, 9,000, and just under 7,000. And if you don't believe me, even then, these are my payouts. This is from my Wise account, this is my personal account, and you can see all the payouts are here. It doesn't get any more transparent than this, literally. And as you can see, 15k here, 5k, 4k, 5k, 4k, 4k. You know, it doesn't get any more transparent than that. And on here, on this other account, you can see here I just received a payout on 5th of April. This was like last week. But yeah, as you can see, all the proof is here. And yeah, so now I will show you guys how I've managed to make this large sum of money within a short period of time. So yeah, and I trade a very simple strategy. It's the 15-minute breakout. I teach the strategy in my Discord, following along with many other strategies that I trade every single day. But this is one of the strategies that I will show you guys and how I execute on the chart. So let me just go over to a random date, find a time. So we're going to be trading this strategy on the New York Open. Not exactly on the New York Open. We're going to wait for the second candle to form on the 15-minute time frame. So we have our open at 9:30 here on this candle here. And then this is the candle we're going to be focusing on, the second candle. And then what we're going to do is we're going to wait for this candle to form, and we're going to mark up a high of this candle. We're going to mark the wick of the candle and the wick low, make this red for sell, green for buy. And as you can see, once this candle is closed, you want to set your stop orders above and below. So you know, it's just something like this. You want to set a stop order. Oh, I can't set a stop order, I've really locked out. But yeah, you want to set a stop order just below this wick, and you want to set a buy order just above this wick. And then wherever price goes, you want to cancel your other order, set your stop loss there, and then let the trade play out. And as you can see, if I was to take the short, my stop loss would have been at this high. And then as you can see, we did 473 points on the Nasdaq. As you can see, that's a huge trade. 400 points is crazy. So let me go over the next day. Okay, as you can see, we have an open here at 9:30, and then this is the candle we're going to be focusing on, the 9:45 candle, the second candle after the open. Wait for this candle to form, mark up the high and the lows, make this green. And as you can see, this is the range. This is the range we're going to be playing with. Here, as you can see, we tapped into a long, and then we went lower and we broke out short. But then let me show you here, if we went long here with our stop loss, hold on. If we went long here with our stop loss just below the low, as you can see, we're going to lose 100 points. We're going to lose 100 points. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to flip short. Yeah, with our stop loss just up here again, 100 points. So we're risking another 100 points. Even though we've lost 100 points, we're risking another 100 points. But then if I was to show you, we did 200 points in profit. So as you can see, we lost 100 points, but now we did 200 points. So now you're currently up 100 points in profit, as you can see. Yeah, so you know, the strategy is not always going to play out picture perfect every single day. But what you can do is you can flip your positions and potentially risk a bit more to make back that loss. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to keep flipping in and out of trades and then lose and blow your account in a short amount of time, you know. So only flip once. This strategy, you only flip once. If we was to come down here, tap short, and then go back up again, then you just call it a day. But yeah, as you can see here, that would have been 100 points profit if you flipped short. And also that's what I teach. I teach people to flip their positions, you know, when we get stopped out, because this trade, you can trade it both ways. But yeah. So now let's go over the next day. Here we have our open at 9:30. And then this is the candle we're going to be focusing on. Let me mark up the high of this candle. This is the high, and then this is the low. Mighty's red. As you can see, price tapped into a nice short on this candle. Have your stop loss just above the high. Almost tapped us out, but we didn't. That's why our stop loss is there for a reason. Our stop loss is there to invalidate our trade when, you know, we're wrong. So as you can see here, we're right. We made 192 points, which is insane. And then let me go over one more example here. Here we also have another example of a bad day. You would have lost some money on this trade, but I'll just go over it now. Just be transparent. And then yeah, so as you can see, price tapped into a long. Oh no, sorry, price tapped into a short, and then we got stopped out at this high. We got stopped out for 170 points. Price went long, and then went short again, and then yeah, this would have just been a losing day. This would have just been a losing day overall. So yeah, obviously we had 3 winning days and 1 losing day. And now let me go over one last example here. As you can see, this is our 9:30 open, and then this is the candle we're focusing on. 9:45, mark up the low. Same again, mark up the high, make this red. As you can see, price out to a short on this candle at the 10 AM open of the candle. 85 point stop loss. Just under 100 points TP. As you can see, this trade paid out 4 times out of 5. And you know, I've tested strategy over 200-300 trades, and it comes out to about 67% win rate. However, I believe that win rate doesn't matter. You know, if you can take you can have a 30% win rate, but have a 1 to 4 RR and still be profitable, you know what I mean, in the long run. So I believe that win rate doesn't matter. Risk to reward may somewhat matter, but I still think it doesn't matter. So yeah. But yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And that is exactly how I made $141,537 in prop firm payouts since August 2024 with Topstep alone. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in joining the Discord, it's $49 a month. We have a community with like-minded traders, many videos on the strategy that I teach, including this one, but with many more other strategies. And yeah, if you're interested, join now. I'll leave a link in the description. It's $49 a month. You get direct access to me. Any questions you want to ask, you can ask directly to me. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.